You got a friend in me.
No! We are not doing that.
Oh, come on, Thomas. This video is about autism and making friends. Having this is like having peanut butter and jelly.
Have you not noticed how YouTube has been changing lately? You're lucky I'm here, otherwise we would have had a copyright claim to deal with. So, without further ado, can we please get to the subject?
Oh, all right. I'm Steven from Tostemac, alongside my brother Thomas, and for today's autism video, we'll go over why autistics might have trouble with making and keeping friends, as well as some do's and don'ts on how to build those bonds with other people. But before we get to that, for those that are new to the channel, we at Tostemac upload new videos every Saturday morning. So if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date in our latest videos. Alright, let's start with our first question. Why can it be such a challenge for autistics to befriend other individuals?
Oh, that's easy. Building and maintaining friendships involves a lot of social factors like reading social cues, body language, emotion, and so forth. Since those with autism often struggle in these categories, it can be a challenge to comfortably socialize with other individuals, much less make friends with them.
You are partially correct. While this does appear to be a common case for most autistics, it is not the only factor to consider. There are many elements that we need to take into account, such as a lack of confidence due to knowing about the social deficits, being afraid to walk and talk around strangers, or simply having no desire to interact with other people in the first place. Whether it be one of these reasons or multiple, we each have our own struggles with relating and bonding to those around us. I mean, for me, it took me all the way until high school before I fully understood what a true friend meant, and even then, I didn't really have that many, just a few.
Speak for yourself, Steven. I happen to have been very popular throughout high school and college. Remember that one time at the laser tag?
I distinctly remember you owe me 20 bucks.
Oh, I don't know anything about that. Must not have been an important memory. Anywho, why don't we talk about two things that you don't want to do when making a new friend? Starting with the most important one. Don't rush into a friendship. It's like taking a gamble without a winning hand. It ain't guaranteed to work. You can't just walk up to somebody and go,
Hi, I'm Steven. You're my new friend.
Wait, what?
Oh, don't tell me you didn't like that hug.
actually, no. I don't like being squeezed like a ketchup bottle. Don't get me wrong, it feels really good to declare someone your friend. However, when you're just getting started, you don't know what kind of person they are. You don't know if they'll be there for you when you need them, or if they're just gonna leave you hanging. So why rush when something could potentially turn out bad?
True friendship is built over time, from joys and tears to agreements and arguments. Only through these trials and tribulations can a true friendship fully blossom and last even lifetimes. Much like the city of Rome, it is not something that's built overnight.
The other thing you don't want to do is reveal your autism to the potential friend right out of the gate.
Huh?
Hold on, why wouldn't you want to do that?
Allow me to answer that with another question. Why don't you put that you have autism on a resume?
Oh, right, of course, because it makes it easier for others to discriminate against you.
Exactly. Much like a potential boss at work, a potential friend could use this information to either keep away from you, ask very insensitive questions, and in the worst case, even follow it up with harassment. Besides, true friendship is about who you are, not what you have. So, when you first start out with someone, keep that information close to the chest, and let some time pass as you observe what kind of person they really are. From there, you can decide whether or not to disclose your autism to them. And if you don't feel comfortable revealing your autism to others, that's perfectly okay. I don't go around telling everybody I have autism, unlike a certain brother I know.
Well, I happen to be very proud of my autism. Thank you.
Yeah, go shout that on every rooftop, why don't ya? As you can see, Steven and I have different opinions about disclosing our autism, and neither way is wrong. It's up to you to choose if you want to tell them or not. But remember to let some time pass before you make that choice. As for you neurotypicals out there thinking a potential friend has autism and wondering if it's okay to ask, I wouldn't recommend it. If they haven't told you yet, there's probably a good reason as to why. So be sure to respect their privacy and accept who they are as opposed to what they have. Like I said earlier, that's what true friendship is about.
Now that we're done with all the don'ts from Mr. Negative over here.
I'm trying to educate over here, same as you, bud.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Permit me to give you some hints on how to build a potential friendship. For starters, try to find some common interest. While they don't always guarantee a friendship, common interests are often used as the cornerstones for building one. So it stands to reason that this would be the best place to start. Some common interests can include video games,
Yeah, definitely.
exercising,
That's a good option too.
or even some girly things like trying on makeup. No. Ah, well, it was worth a shot anyway. Once you start with that, then you can begin telling them about yourself. It can be about funny memories, characteristics about yourself, or even certain hardships that you had to go through in life. During said time, they will most likely tell you tales about their lives. When that happens, it's good practice to remember what they say to help them feel confident about the friendship, rather than feeling like you're ignoring them. So there you have it, the first 2 steps in making a new friend. Don't worry too much about what comes afterwards, as it'll come naturally to you in time. Just follow the do's and don'ts that me and Thomas gave you, and you'll be making good friends before you know it.
And with that, we have officially gone over everything in terms of autism and making friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, but what do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? What were some of your challenges with making friends? Let us know in the comments section below, and let's start a conversation here.
Hey, that's my line! Oh, whatever. I should probably end the video here. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date in our latest videos. And again, thank you very much for watching, everybody, and until the next video, see you later.
Bye-bye!
What was that?
Everything.
Have a good day, everybody.